Hi guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to make money with Foap app. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. What is Foap? Foap is a platform for selling photos or videos online. People who like your works can buy them here. It can be a regular user, some agencies, or different brands. The cost of the photo on Foap is usually $10, but due to the Foap 50% commission, you will receive only $5. Now, the first thing that we are going to do is we are going to download Foap on our Play Store or App Store. So we're going to go ahead and search for Foap and then download it. If you're done, all you need to do is just open the app. So this is the Foap interface, and at the bottom you can see the newsfeed, explore, and missions. So we're gonna go ahead and click on newsfeed. So these are the people uploading their photos or videos online. Or we can click on explore and we can check which photos are sold or are reset. So you can check on them. So in the missions tab, you can start earning by following the steps. So we have here lesson 1. You're going to join the first mission, and then there are indicated how many dollars are you going to get in reward and how many weeks left and so on and so forth. So if we're going to click on the first lesson, so here is a description. So missions offer an incredible opportunity to sell your photos, expand your portfolio, gain recognition, and collaborate with renowned brands. So how can you join a mission? So on your phone, you're just going to click on join mission button or tap the plus symbol located at the bottom of the screen. Choose your finest photos from your phone gallery and add them to the mission. Here's a pro tip. While most missions usually require specific types of photos, you have the freedom to include any pictures you desire for this particular mission. It's an excellent chance to make an impression by showcasing your best shots. Enhance your photos with descriptions and relevant text. And fourth, publish your photos and patiently await the mission results. Don't forget to explore the Photos tab above, where you can view the images uploaded by other participants. Engage with fellow users by rating and commenting on their photos. By entering a mission, you automatically become eligible for the FOA Plus Creator Program. This program enhances your profile's visibility to brands, increasing your chances of selling photos and granting you access to exclusive missions. So here are some tips that you can do. So let's explore the app. At the upper left corner of our interface, you can see the 3 lines icon there. So just click that and you can see your profile. By the way, you can change your profile picture here and then your background as well. So as you can see, we don't have any photos, albums, or following or followers. So we have to work on that. And then you can see the manage photos, the manage albums, lightbox, find friends, your sales support settings, and log out. Now we're gonna go ahead and click on your sales. So as you can see here, you can see the withdraw money or the payment status. And we're gonna click on settings. So we're going to enter our PayPal information because this is how we are going to earn our money or withdraw our money from our app. So just type in your email, your PayPal email, and then once you've done that, you're already good to go. So we're going to go back to the 3 icons again, and then we're going to scroll down and we're going to click on manage photos. So how are we going to add our photos? So we're just going to go to the bottom right and click the plus sign. So you're just going to click that and then you're going to allow access. You're just going to choose the photo that you want to upload. Say for example, this picture. So I got this picture from, this is a model. I'm going to click on that. And they're going to check if your picture is really yours. So we're gonna try again. with another picture. So we're going to try our picture. And then you're going to see the photo image is too small. It should be at least 1280 times 960 big. So we're going to try again. So screenshots are not allowed on Foap. Try more. Let's try this one. So there, it's good to go already. So we're just going to add tags. So say for example, nature, landscape, sky, happiness, and you can also add city lights. And then we're going to add tags here. City lights. And then mountain. So we're going to try to add more. And then just click publish once you're good to go. And then, are there people in this photo? Yes. Are the faces in this photo recognizable? No. And then click publish. So we're going to check the photo on our profile. So go to the upper left corner of our interface and click the three lines icon again. And then just click your profile. And you can see that it's already published here. You can also change the grid as to how you want it on your screen or on your profile. And then you can try to change your edit profile, you can change your avatar, and you can change your cover photo. So while waiting for that picture to earn money, you can explore and join missions, as what I've mentioned earlier, for you to be able to get rewards. So for you to earn more money, all you need to do is just keep on uploading fit photos, uploading videos, and then just make sure that you don't violate any rules that they have. Like for example, earlier, the size of the image, and it should not be a screenshot. And again, just follow the things that will be indicated. You can also try to join their new missions like this video creators casting. So you can check on this, and then the best photos of May, child's emotions, and then expecting a new human, children's day. You can try to participate in this mission so that you can earn money, and especially for occasions like Pride Month, you can try to join that mission. And then under the hood, you can do things that really interest you, and also you can earn money at the same time. So that's it. That's how easy you can make money on Foap. If you have questions, please don't hesitate to write them below, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.